Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This video is another Theta update, and we're going to dig into this Audius news clip here about Katy Perry, and then we're going to also talk about the Theta roadmap. There is a little update here. You probably can't see it, but there is some questions that need to be asked. So if you're interested in this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Okay, so let's dig right into it. So Audius, I thought Katy Perry and Theta were tied together. Why is she leaving Theta? Why is she heading over to Audius, which is another platform on the crypto blockchain space? So if we dig into the article here, Katy Perry, Nas, Jason Derulo, they're all investors in this new blockchain startup called Audius. And essentially we'll dig into exactly what it is here in a second. But this article essentially says that Audius announced a $5 million round of strategic funding led by major celebrities. And the top celebrities that they announced were, of course, Katy Perry, Nas, Chainsmokers, Jason Derulo, Pusha T, Steve Aoki, and others. So all of these artists, they're heading over to this hot new audio streaming platform called Audius. And if we look into it, it's exactly that. So imagine Theta, but audio. So it's a direct competitor to Spotify, Apple Music, but it's on the blockchain. And it's neat because, it's streamed directly from the artist, and it's let's just read it, a brand new streaming platform built for all musicians, not just those with labels. They can build their own fan base. They can share works in progress. They can do whatever they like. They have a lot of freedom with Audius. And then the setup is very similar to, your streaming platforms that you can think of, SoundCloud and others. So you can see what's trending for this week, this month. It looks like Steve Aoki, once again is on there. And then all time you can see Skrillex and a couple other big names that we remember from a couple years ago. So this is the Audius platform. And as we can see, Katy Perry is there with the purple check mark, which means it is indeed her. As of right now, she has absolutely nothing on here. More to come. Kind of like, what we have going on with Theta, more to come with Katy Perry and a lot of the big name artists, even though she does have the followers. So what is bringing people here? It's more the monetization plan. So with Spotify, they take a huge chunk of income. Audius, the chunk of income that Audius will take is very minuscule compared to Apple Music, Spotify, and all those other streaming platforms that you can think of. And let's check it out. What are they doing to monetize themselves? So the payout, our current math is 90% of the streaming revenue flows straight from the listener to the uploader. The other 10% will flow to people operating the nodes and helping host Audius's content. More on this later. So checking this picture out, huge amount of payout goes to the artist, and then a little bit goes to the network operators. And it's nice because it's all, blockchain technology. So all of this is hands off. You don't have to pay the management team. You don't have to pay all these other people. It's just 90-10 is the split. And there still is a huge work in progress with this. As far as what I've read, artists can create their own subscription plan. Artists can create how much they want, people to pay for their music, or if they just want all of their music to be out here for free, they can do that. So the artist has all of the control on, what sort of revenue model they want to build, which is actually really neat. So that is what is happening there. And to answer the other question, no, Katy Perry is not leaving Theta for Audius. They're two separate entities, and if anything, it is good because Katy Perry will bring more people into the crypto ecosystem in general, both with audio and with video and NFTs. So if we check here, she still has her Theta drop still coming out Q4 2021. We're expecting, in December, so the very end of Q4, but it is still happening. And she is very much still, this is on the thetatoken.org, she is very still much one of the partners for Theta, as well as MGM, Lionsgate, NASA and all the other partners that we knew in the past. That's part 1 of the video. Part 2 of the video, there was an update to the roadmap, and I'll give you a second, see if you can find what the update was. It's very subtle, and I actually will ask Theta why they changed it. So it is the beta Theta drop. It's a unified marketplace now, and I made a video not too long ago about the Theta roadmap, how it was very bullish, and this was on August 26th. Check it out. Beta Theta drop, it's a general marketplace. I only noticed the difference because I was actually going to make a video on how to create a Theta NFT, and if you are interested in that video, please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely make a video, because I figured, you know, the marketplace is going to open up soon. Especially if it's a general marketplace for everyone like OpenSeas, then, you know, let's get ahead of the ball game and start creating some NFTs for it. Hopefully the Theta drop unified marketplace means more or less the same thing. Just checking out some definitions here. Unified, to make or become, united, uniform, or whole. And then general, affecting or concerning all or most people, places, or things. I'm not exactly sure what drove the difference between unified and general, but hopefully we can find out. Follow the Twitter, and I will definitely ask them to, you know, elaborate on, you know, why the change, what the difference is. So in general, this is, you know, why Katy Perry is, you know, expanding her wings. I think it'll help everyone, both, you know, in the streaming space and in the video streaming space, so audio and video streaming space, with Audius and Theta both benefiting from Katy Perry and all these other artists just moving into crypto. And then we also talked about the Theta roadmap and the slight difference here between the unified, what it currently is, and what it was previously, the general marketplace. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one.